Welcome to Rajsusila Holistics. Today I am going to explain you about number magic. Usually we all think that numerology is something wherein we go for a lucky name or lucky numbers and use them to gain success in our life. Apart from that, also numerology has many more aspects which has not been brought into light, but it is practiced by many and they have got very immense benefits from it. Now I will be telling you about magical numbers and ignition codes. These ignition codes and magical numbers, when we are going to use it in a combination to solve any kind of problem, it will gain 10x power and we can get out of the problem very easily. Now you may ask me, what is a ignition code and what are these magical numbers? Ignition code is such a word which is powerful by itself. It is like a mantra. In Sanskrit, when we take a word and we say it as a mantra, in the same way in English when we coin a word and we say it as ignition code. You can also call it mantra, no problem. It is a ignition code and it has lot of power in it. It is a powerhouse in itself. And the magical numbers are the combination of several numbers which manifests itself as a magical number. The combination and the series of number, how we put them, makes it into a magical number. When you use both of them simultaneously, you can come out of the problem. Today now we are going to discuss about the problem getting a good job. Many people will be aspiring for a good job. They are searching for a job. They have completed their competitive exams. Now they are waiting for a job, or they are already in a job. They want a better job, or they want to jump from one job to a better job. For all these persons, this using of this ignition code and magical number together will give you benefit to the fullest. Now I will explain you step 1. Step 1, what all we need to start doing this. For doing this, you need two papers cut into the shape of an arrow. Any white paper you can take and cut it into the shape of an arrow. One big arrow we need and a small arrow we need. 2 arrows are necessary. You can cut it out from any white paper, a big arrow and a small arrow. Apart from this, we need a 5 rupee coin, one black pen and one blue pen, a glass, a glass with water and a metal lid, one tape and a scissor. We will go into the second step. Whatever ritual or whatever preparation we are going to do before start doing this, it should be done first time on a Wednesday between 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. in the afternoon. That time is very, very auspicious to draw in the energy which helps us to get the job, which activates our career luck in our life. So you take care of the time 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. on any Wednesday. First we will take this big arrow, and now what I am going to do in this part, the knot in the head of the arrow, in this part I am going to write the miracle number. To write the number 7 1 9 4 8 1 7 1. Now in the arrowhead we have to write 5 times the ignition code. The ignition code for this is move on halfway. 5 times you have to write move on halfway. So now I have written the miracle number here and the ignition code in the arrowhead. What will happen? This miracle number will give a push to the ignition code and this will work as an arrow in your life. It will go and hit the point where you want the job, which kind of job you want, where you want to get job. All this you can imagine or visualize when you are writing it. Now the second thing, the smaller arrow, the small arrow also we are going to write the same thing. 7 1 9 4 8 1 7 1. Because the arrowhead is very small, write with small letters. Even you have to write in 3 sentences, no problem. Now what you do, you take the coin and place it on the arrowhead. And take the glass, keep it like this, and we are going to stick it. You stick it this way. Another step we have with blue ink here in this place on your left hand. Like this you have to draw. Now going into the third step, points you have to keep in your mind very strongly before doing this. First thing is you should be with open mind. You should think that what I am doing is going to work for me. It will definitely work for me. I am going to get success in this. This kind of mental attitude is very much important here. Second is consistency of mind. Doing for 2 days and then thinking nothing is happened and leaving it off. Again after 1 week giving it a try, doing for 3-4 days and leaving it off. This will not give success. This should be done for 41 days. What I am going to tell you that you have to do for 41 days. You need not do all this for 41 days. But what all you have to do, I will let you know that all you have to do. Third thing is you should have determination that yes, I will do. You should determine and start doing this. All these rules and you put all these efforts and start doing this, you will get success within 41 days for sure. Now in the third step, what you are going to do, you take your black pen again and here where we have put, you write the number 7 1 9 4 8 1 7 1. Second thing, take this and arrow, you close it like this. Like this you close. Take a small tape and put for it. Now we have made it. You take this and keep it in your money purse or wallet. It should be done on Wednesday, the same day between 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. And after that, this water, whichever we have written here, this you keep under a tube light and charge it for 4 hours. After 4 hours of charging, drink this water. Anytime you can drink. It's nothing like you should drink between 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. Anytime you can drink. And write this. This you will do it on a Wednesday afternoon. Writing this number and drinking water should be done every day. Only this ritual should be done once and kept in the purse. This water drinking and this arrow writing, these two should be done for 41 days continuously. Taking Wednesday as the first day, for 41 consecutive days you should do this. Before this 41 days you get a job also, don't stop, finish it off. If you like this video, kindly like it, share it and subscribe it.